Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to fix Modern Warfare 3 Can't Join Friends Party PC Steam. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 is a 2023 first-person shooter game developed by Sledgehammer Games. It is the 20th installment in the Call of Duty series and third entry in the rebooted Modern Warfare sub-series, following Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2022. The game was released on November 10, 2023 for PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Windows, Xbox One, and Xbox Series SX. The game maintains the realistic modern setting of its predecessors and continues the storyline of the Modern Warfare series. It follows the multinational Special Operations Unit Task Force 141 as they track down Vladimir Makarov and Russian ultra-nationalist and terrorist intent on triggering a third world war. It features a multiplayer mode that includes 16 remastered maps from 2009's Modern Warfare 2 with at least 12 new maps planned for post-launch. Now, to fix Can't Join Friends Party in Modern Warfare 3, what you need to do first is launch Modern Warfare 3 and go to the Social tab. Here, you can see your friends on your Activision friend list as well as anyone from the Steam friends list. Click on your level profile and copy your Activision ID. Return to the Social tab and expand the social options. Use the Add Friend option to send friend requests. Make sure both you and your friend have added each other through this menu. If you have added them on Steam, search the Steam option to send additional friend requests if needed. Then, open the Social menu again and click on the Settings icon. Ensure that your social settings are not set to close. It's usually best to set it to friends and channels, allowing you to invite friends and accept invites. If you're still having trouble, it might be an issue with the Modern Warfare 3 servers. Check platforms like Twitter or Reddit to see if others are experiencing similar issues. Sometimes server problems are the cause of connectivity issues. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye bye, and I will see you in the next one.